Hey, my name is Yashar. I had an appointment with Mozik.
Oh, yeah. Hey, Yashar, I'm Musik. Welcome to the art studio.
I called a lot of places to take a drawing class, and they were all extremely shady characters.
I mean, his first day here, obviously, I can't expect any more. But I know that if he puts his mind to it, he'll actually do well.
I started thinking about drawing because I have a lot of friends who are suffering from midlife crisis, and they take painting and drawing and they do an extreme job, and I thought I can do better. I saw what they were doing and it was terrible, and I'm a kind of guy that I can't look at people who are doing an outstanding job. Used to hold the pen like this, but then Mozik said you should hold it like this. And it felt like, you know, how like you want to somebody in the face. And but it was like very gentle, you know, a gentle experience, like, you know, you go like this.
Now with everything that I observed, he was really focused and it seemed like he really wanted to be here.
Maybe I was focused, maybe I had too much caffeine. But sometimes it seems like I'm focused, but I'm actually zoning out.
He wanted to be here, just so eager to get started. So yeah, very happy character. He was so calm and focused and collective. I'm telling you, this guy is it. I mean, if anybody could be an artist, it's Yashar. Definitely, bottom line, Yashar. Again, but he does know that he's here for one reason, and that reason is to be an artist. So I'm glad that he's here.
Kind of peaceful, just sit here and just be yourself and not try to kiss anyone. You know, try to like learn something to impress. It was a very peaceful experience.